Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove Shopify payment method. First of all, you have to tap on settings in the bottom left corner. Once you have entered here, as you can see this billing option under the plan, simply click on that. So once you have an enter here, as you can see I don't have any payment method yet. So let's say you have added your credit card or debit card. So there will be in three dots on the right side of it. You have to simply click on it, and this will give you an option to replace, not remove. So you cannot remove any payment method from Shopify. You just have to replace it with some other credit card or debit card or other payment methods. So if you want to completely remove it from your Shopify, you have to simply go to your plan and simply you have to go for this deactivate store or deactivate plan. So you can do these options in order to remove all your payment methods from Shopify. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.